Soyo live chat and make friends. So we're going to see the overview of this app. So this is basically a live streaming platform or a live chat app where people go live and make new friends online. It's basically like a live dating app as well. So let's see the reviews here. I don't think there are any reviews available for this app right now. So let's just check how the app is. If I just open the app right here, so this is the home layout of the app where you can join a voice chat, a secret note, or you can see the people that are live currently. You can join them and play games with them. So this is the notification panel, and here is your profile where you can see all of your stats. So if you want to connect with people, you can join live. So um, these people can join your live as well and connect with them. And this is basically like a dating app as well, where you can connect live. And yeah, that's about it. So from here, you can make new friends. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.